Hello, everyone. I'm Sahar. Today, we're going to share one of the most powerful secrets of language learning with you. A secret that requires no talent, no huge amounts of time, not even money. All you need is 10 minutes a day. But these 10 minutes are magic. They can change everything.
And I'm Poya. If you've ever thought, I don't have enough time, or my progress is too slow, or felt overwhelmed by the mountain of things you think you need to learn, then this video was made for you. We're going to talk about the power of tiny, consistent actions and how they create monumental results. This isn't just theory, it's a system you can start the moment this video ends. Let's start by dismantling the biggest excuse, I don't have time. The truth is, we all have the same 24 hours. The difference isn't time, it's priority and micro-commitment. You don't need 2-hour study sessions. You need consistent, focused minutes.
Think of your brain like a bank account. Every time you practice English, even for just a few minutes, you're making a small deposit into your Fluency bank account. A single $1 deposit seems meaningless, right? But what if you deposited $1 every single day? In a year, you'd have $365. In 5 years, over $1,800, plus interest.
Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. This applies perfectly to language learning. 10 minutes today might feel small, but 10 minutes every day for a month is 300 minutes, 5 hours of practice you wouldn't have had otherwise. Over a year, it's over 60 hours. That's the power of the 1% improvement rule.
So, what should you do in these 10 minutes? Random scrolling won't work. You need a structured, purposeful framework. Here is the golden 10-minute blueprint we recommend. You can rotate these activities daily.
Minute 1 to 2, the brain warm-up. Listening. Listen to a short clip, a news headline, a podcast intro, a song chorus. Don't try to understand everything, just get your brain into English mode. Focus on the rhythm and sounds.
Minute 3 to 5, mouth gymnastics. Speaking or shadowing. Now, repeat what you heard. Mimic the speaker like they're your shadow. Don't worry about meaning. Worry about muscle memory. Move your mouth. Get comfortable making the sounds.
Minute 6 to 8, vocabulary spark. One word or phrase deep dive. Pick one new word or useful phrase, not 10. Just one. Learn its meaning, say it in a sentence out loud 3 times, and think of a personal connection. Ubiquitous. Smartphones are ubiquitous nowadays. Where do you see something ubiquitous?
Minute 9 to 10, confidence closing. Positive self-talk and planning. Look in the mirror, or just in your mind, and say, I showed up for my English today. I am getting better. Then decide what your one focus will be for tomorrow's 10 minutes. This cements the habit and ends on a win.
Knowing what to do is half the battle. The other half is actually doing it consistently. This requires strategy. The 3 pillars are trigger, action, reward.
Pillar 1, the trigger, the when. Link your 10-minute practice to an existing daily habit. After I brush my teeth, before I have my morning coffee, during my commute. The existing habit becomes the cue for the new one.
Pillar 2, the action. Make it easy. Remove all friction. Have your podcast app ready on your phone's home screen. Keep a notebook and pen by your bed. The easier it is to start, the more likely you are to do it. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is showing up.
Pillar 3, the reward. Celebrate the micro win. This is crucial. After your 10 minutes, give yourself a mental high five. Mark an X on a calendar. This visual chain of success is powerfully motivating. You're not just learning English, you're building your identity as a consistent person.
You might wonder, how do 10 minutes of solo practice translate to real conversations? The bridge is intentional application. Once a week, use one of your practiced phrases in a real, low-stakes situation. At a cafe. Could I get this to go, please? In an email. Thank you for your prompt reply.
Think of your 10-minute sessions as training in the gym. You lift weights alone to build strength. The real conversation is the sporting match where you use that strength. You wouldn't run a marathon without training. Don't expect a fluent conversation without your daily language fitness training.
Your confidence will grow because you'll have these pocket phrases and sounds ready to go. You're not generating language from zero in a stressful moment. You're recalling and adapting what you've already practiced in your safe 10-minute space.
We challenge you to a 30-day fluency sprint. The rules are simple. Commit to 10 minutes every day for 30 days. Use our golden 10-minute framework or your own variation. Every Sunday, have a 1-minute micro conversation. This could be with a language partner, a friend, a chatbot, or even by recording yourself answering a question.
We will be doing this challenge with you. We'll post daily reminders and tips on our Instagram and Telegram. We want you to succeed. Imagine how you'll feel on day 30. You won't just have studied English, you'll have built an unshakable habit, gained over 5 hours of practice, and proven to yourself that you are capable of remarkable consistency.
So, your path is clear. The secret isn't massive effort, it's miniature consistency. The 1% you improve every day compounds into a 100% transformation over time.
Here is your call to action, right now. Pause this video, set a timer for 10 minutes, do your first golden 10-minute practice. Use today's video as your listening material for shadowing. Come back and tell us in the comments, I did my first 10. My one word was blank.
Let's make today day 1. We are so excited to see your journey. Remember, fluency isn't a destination you reach by running a marathon once. It's a path you walk one confident 10-minute step at a time.
You can do this. We believe in you. Now, go press pause.